Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by validating the endpoint and authentication so requests won't fail later. Create a simple request wrapper using Fetch or Axios and set base URL, default headers, and attends timeout. Once done, store secrets in environment vars and never hardcode them in components. Make sure to enable cores or configure a proxy in your development server so your browser can reach the backend without errors. This gets you immediately ready to call the API from React. You now wire the API wrapper into React by building a custom hook that returns data, loading, and error. Use a reducer if you have complex state transitions because it keeps logic predictable. Once done, implement request cancellation with abort controller or Axios cancel tokens to avoid state updates on unmounted components. Make sure to memoize inputs with use memo or use callback to prevent unnecessary refetches, and centralize error parsing so UI shows consistent messages. You finish by connecting mutations. Call post/put via your wrapper, update local state optimistically, and then reconcile with the server response. Once done, add structured logging for request response pairs and implement retry with exponential backoff for transient network errors. Make sure to write integration tests using a mock backend or MSW so you catch contract issues early. If things go wrong, check cores headers and token expiry first, as those cause most production failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.